Okay, we're going to start with chapter 13, which is accounting for payroll and payroll taxes. So we're going to move to the side of the corporation and doing the complete payroll. So 13.1 today of recording a payroll. First learning objective is to analyze a payroll transaction. And the second one is to be able to journalize a payroll, including employee payroll taxes. So different forms of payroll information. The total of gross earnings for all employees earning hourly wages, salaries, and commissions is called salary expense. So this is the account we will be using to record this. The salary expense, that's a total of all those earnings. So this is kind of what it looks like here. So analyzing payment of payroll. So these are your salary expense. And then this would be our cash, that net pay. And then these are all my liability accounts. Those deductions will be all my liabilities here. Okay, so as they come up here, these different liabilities that I have, all of the credits that will be happening here. My employee income tax payable is my federal income tax. And then the Social Security tax is here. The next one is Medicare tax payable. And then we also have the health insurance premiums payable from the health insurance column here. And then the retirement contributions payable for retirement plans. So remembering the different names here, they're all payable accounts because remember, these are things that we hold and then we will be putting into those accounts here. So they're a liability because it's money that's not technically ours that we will be giving to who it's owed here. And then the last one is that cash, which is the net pay. Okay, so the cash is that net pay. And then all of these added together is going to be that salary expense, which does equal your total earnings here. So then journalizing payment of a payroll. So on December 15th, paid cash for semi-monthly payroll of $6,269.87 with a total payroll of $8,076.75 less deductions of employee income tax $494, Social Security tax $577, Medicare tax $117.11. So health insurance premiums are $230 and then retirement contributions are $465 using check number 732. So they all go into one transaction here. So first I need to record that debit, and my debit is my salary expense, remember here. So you can see that this is on line number 11, so I do not need to put the month here. If it was line number 1, I would need to put the month. But since it's further down in my cash payments journal, I don't need to do that because that should be up higher here. So the 15th, salary expense, check number 732. So my debit, general debit, because I don't have this expense over here, the special column, is $8,076.75. Okay, I'm going to put my cash credit over here once it comes over. So the cash amount, which was my net pay, okay, so this semi-monthly $6,269.87, and then I'm going to record all of the accounts that are credited and do it in order of what it looks like on the other sheet we just looked at. So employee income tax was the first account listed, and then you're just going to move across the sheet. So we have $494, Social Security, Medicare, health insurance premiums payable, and retirement contributions payable. So all of these plus this one, because they're all credits, should equal the debit over here. Okay, there'll be a video for work together, and then you'll be doing the on your own and the application problem.